How to fix NoxPlayer lag on Windows. 1. Turn on Virtual Technology, VT, in your BIOS settings. Refer to the IMG below. For starters, you may use Leomoon POV at https://leomoon.com/download/desktop-app/leomoon-cpu-b. 2. Delete NoxPlayer's cache. To do so, launch the Clear Google Service Cache in Performance subsettings. Plan B, launch the Reset Desktop option. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Reassign RAM and CPU to NoxPlayer. To do so, change the performance settings. Refer to the IMG below. 5. Driver. Like this.